So welcome to my calendar planning. Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew. Therefore, I upload sewing related videos. If that is something that you're into, please continue to watch or watch some of my other videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, happy November, okay? Goodbye, Halloween. Let's go ahead and get started with peeling this Halloween decor off. That's probably going to be Santa for Christmas though, so stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and move over to my November calendar. So here we go. Goodbye, October. Thank you for Halloween. Thank you for all the festivities and the fun things we did in October. Thank you so much. Now go away. So now let's go ahead and focus on November. November is going to be another fun month because not only is it Thanksgiving, but it is also my husband's birthday along with our anniversary. Fun fact, my husband and I got married on his birthday so that he would never forget our anniversary because he forgets everything. And here we go. This year, Thanksgiving is on the 28th. Which is nice because it's going to be a 4-day weekend, and my best friend's birthday is actually December 1st, so it'll just be nice to have the 4-day weekend for Thanksgiving and her birthday. And then our anniversary is going to be on a Monday, so we'll probably celebrate it on the 23rd, which is a Saturday. As you guys know, every single Wednesday I try and upload videos, and any other video is just an additional video, but I always shoot to upload on Wednesday. That is my goal. I tend to record for a few days and then I edit for a few days. I give myself that time just so that I don't stress out about it, so that if I record, let's say on Thursday, then I know that I have up until Tuesday to edit the video if I record. You know what I mean? I give myself 6 days of space just because it's a lot sometimes, trying to record and edit a video. Here on the corner, I always put my measurements, my bust, waist, and hip measurements. Before I start any pattern though, I make sure to check my measurements just because you never know. I could have gained muscle somewhere, I could have lost fat somewhere else, you know what I mean? So these are the 4 videos that I'm going to focus on. This month I decided to do something a little bit more different and specific, because the more specific I get, the easier it is for me to stay on track. So I want to do 2 sew-alongs this month, and it's going to be with the Simplicity 8014 and the Simplicity S9019. I will show you guys a picture of I will talk about that later in the video. I always have my thrifting videos that I always record and upload, and then I want to upload one pattern review, which is the Simplicity S8889. Again, I will talk about it more later in the video. I always put savers 50% off on Mondays, and then I tried decorating. These are supposed to resemble fall leaves. I was trying to draw a turkey, but then I realized that some people don't eat turkey, some people are vegan, and I don't know. We don't eat turkey for Thanksgiving. We actually boil chicken. I I don't like turkey, you know what I mean? So we just usually eat chicken. Panes con pollo, yes. And then I also left a completed project space simply because I can always jot down accomplishments. And then the quote of the month is, your limitation is only in your imagination. So now that we got the plan for November out of the way and my calendar ready to go, let's go ahead and talk about the patterns that I talked on my calendar, okay? The first one is this one. I know I've talked about it for a little bit, but I promise you guys it's coming. All the pattern pieces are cut out, and this one is in the makes, okay? I just gotta record myself sewing it up together. And it's the Simplicity 8014. Excited. I'm very excited to finish this. I'm ready for dresses again, so I'm excited to make that one. The next thing I'm working on, it's not on my calendar, but I'm actually working on the Vogue 8617. And I'm working on the jacket. I need to tape that or else it's going to ruin my pattern envelope. But I'm working on that right now for a mini challenge that's going on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see what challenge I'm talking about. The next sew along that I will be uploading after my dress sew along is going to be this pattern, and it's the Simplicity S9019. And I want to make my daughter a sweater and some pajama pants. It is all of a sudden super cold out here at night, so I'm excited to sew this. And I'm actually going to be using purple fabric. I think I'll use the purple fabric for maybe like her pajama bottoms. I still haven't figured it out. And I have this one. I don't know if I should do her pajama bottoms purple or her pajama bottoms this fabric and then her sweater purple. I don't know. Help me out. As far as the pattern review that I want to upload this month, it's going to be the Mimi G Style S8889. And I'm going to sew this. So that's that top right there. That's actually my muslin of the S8889. I have another top that I made in like a jean-like material, and I want to sew it one more time just so that I can give a thorough review. I actually need to make a full arm adjustment on the sleeve, so once I do that and I sew it up, I will go ahead and upload the video. But this is actually a really cute top, and I think I have figured out a way to style it. So I'm excited to upload that one. And that's it for the 3 patterns that I'm shooting for this month. I'm sure that I'll upload more videos, and then the additional thrifting videos that I always add on my channel. But here are some things that I actually want to sew this month. They're not my priority, but they are things that I still want to do as well. This pattern, the Simplicity 3584, and I already sewed my son a pair of pajama shorts. So those pajama shorts are really, really cute, and I just used some scrap fleece fabric, and he's actually used them quite a lot, so I could tell he really likes them. So I'm probably going to sew him this top, the easy like sweater version type of top, and the little pajama pants. I'm going to be using this fabric. The next pattern that I want to sew this month is actually the New Look 6476. This pattern, I actually bought it at Savers. I want to make her this dress. I think this dress is going to look really, really cute this like fall winter season, with a long sleeve underneath and maybe some pantyhose or like those long high socks with her little sneakers, so that she can wear that to school. And I'm going to be using this pink polka dot fabric, and I'm also going to line it with this underneath. So now that you know what I'm planning for and what I'm shooting for, let me go ahead and show you what I've sewn in October. So let me go ahead and get started with the piece that I'm wearing. I am actually wearing the Simplicity 5555, and it is a very extremely easy pattern. I'm sure you could use some scraps. The only thing is that this front piece right here, you don't cut on the fold, you just cut, you know, right along the fabric. But it's long, like it's a very large piece. I thought I could use a couple scraps, but if I want to use scraps, I just need to make sure it's a very long piece. So here's the top, here's the back, This fabric is leftover fabric as well. I bought this fabric at Savers, and it's like a velveteen kind of stretch fabric. I'm sure you've seen this kind of fabric in red, dark blue, at Joann's. They're all kind of together, and this is from there. So the next thing that I sewed is the Simplicity 8927. I sewed this pattern in the Halloween top. I think I mentioned it already and I wore it already for Halloween. I will put the video somewhere up here, but you guys already saw me wear this top. I wore it quite a lot for Halloween. I was very excited and I still like it a lot, and I will probably wear it random times out of the year when I feel a little spooky. I also sewed my daughter the Easy McCall's 8226. I sewed this pattern twice. It is a vintage pattern. The first one I sewed her is this one, and it is a cute little red top. The problem that I had though, after washing it a couple times, I don't know if it shrunk or my daughter seriously grew, but it came up like over her belly button. Like it came up really high on her torso, so anything she wore, it just showed her belly. And although she looked very, very cute in this and she rocks the color red, I just didn't feel comfortable her showing her belly that way, and I went ahead and sewed her a second one, which is this cute little one, and I used cotton Halloween non-stretch fabric from Hobby Lobby, and it was $4 a yard, and all I got was a yard. That's all I needed for her top, and it's super cute. And I actually lengthened it by 1.5 inches, so it actually fits all the way. It actually covers her entire torso, and now when she wears shorts with it, it doesn't look really revealing. There's nothing wrong with being revealing, as you can tell, but I think little girls should stay little girls for as long as they can because it's cute, you know? Now for my son, I actually went ahead and sewed my son's complete Halloween costume. So that shirt, that white shirt, and the pants were both thrifted finds. I remade a button-up men's shirt. If you haven't watched my spooky story, I will link it up here above as well, but that's where you saw me cut it up and completely transform it into a cute little button-up. And I used this pattern, and also for his pants I actually used this pattern. So I used both of these patterns already for him, but I made his Halloween costume in the pant using these pants, and then I made the button up using this pattern. I also used it to make another button up shirt. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this button up, but it is the cutest little button up that I made him. So cute, and the buttons are little monkeys. See, and then the cute thing about the monkeys is that this one is smiling and this one is going ooh ooh. It's just so cute. And the fun fact about this shirt is that it's all made out of scraps. And I was really worried that, because this is kind of see-through, this is very thin, so I was worried that the collar wouldn't stand up. So I went ahead and interfaced both of the collar pieces. So you know how two collar pieces, you have to sew them together. I interfaced both of the pieces, then I sewed them together, and now I have this really stiff collar that just gives it the nice professional look. Oh, and a quick shout out to Myra Lorraine. Thank you for letting me know to color block. I was originally trying to sew just a bunch of pieces of this fabric together. I don't know if it was either on one of my videos or on one of my posts on Instagram where she shared with me that I should probably try and see if I could color block. And then my kids were helping me find and look through my scraps, and they found this like army fabric, and then that's when I'm like, oh my gosh, I could totally color block. So just a quick thank you to Myra, because it really, I don't know, I felt really stuck, you know. So Thank you for posting that and for getting me out of my rut. I needed it. I don't think that's everything because I'm pretty sure I had a couple more. I just can't find them right now. And that is it for this video. I do upload every single Wednesday. That is my goal. And any additional video throughout the week is just an add-on, but you will always see me here Wednesday. And just a friendly reminder to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as usual, don't forget to make it a great day, week, and month so that you can have an amazing year. Bye!